Wow, look at them all running up, Abby. That's so cool.
Chad, what kind of cattle y'all run out here? We run these cattle. These are crossbred cattle. Most of the cattle in Texas are crossbred because we feel crossbred animals are stronger. You know, you probably have a Heinz 57 variety mutt.
What do you think, Abby? It's pretty cool, huh? Look at me for a minute.
Crossbreed it to a gray brown.
Oh, look at the baby. Your turn around, sweetie.
Cows has stripes on their back. These cows are finally nicknamed Tiger Stripes. Okay? They're half Brahma. Yeah, well,
look how cute.
And we put these, we're going to create black calves because everybody thinks black calves.
But turn around. I want a picture
So
of
we
you
take
little
these
cows.
black bulls, put them on these cows, and create these black calves.
Here, look at me.
Just disregard
Look at me.
these long
Look,
ones,
look,
they're
look.
a mistake. But right there's a calf who on the grill. That guy.
That's so cool. General Maximus, that's his name.
Yeah.
Aww.
You don't brand your cattle?
No. We're fenced all the way around our fence.
What do you think, Abby? That's pretty neat, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there goes one going potty.